Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with tonight's show. All right, so Arteta they confirm to the media say we know they look what Man City they do. We dey try to focus on ourselves because wetin we fit control na im we need to focus on. So when you look at how the media reported it, Mikel Arteta insists Arsenal is not following Manchester City's results. When you read the entirety of the report, Mikel Arteta has been clear that his players must not become distracted by what is happening elsewhere by looking at what Man City is doing. The manager believes that focusing on external results can be damaging over the course of a long and demanding season. Speaking to Sky Sports, he said, "We are not looking at what Man City is doing or Man City's result. I know you are looking at it, you guys, but the only thing we can control is our own performance and results, and we know how long it's going to be and how tough is this league. That is it. Enjoy every day, do your best, and see what we are going to get." Now, message wey me I get personally to Arteta be say, even if you are, because me and you know say this one wey dey talk na lie, me and you know, so you dey look wetin dem dey play, the players dey look wetin dem dey play, we wey be fans we dey look wetin dem dey play. Now if you are looking at their results, so what? So what, Arteta? So let's leave this matter. So what? It is not a crime. Man City are looking at what we do too. Pep dey talk am steady. Alan sef dey like, come on. We dey look wetin dem dey do. Dem dey look wetin we dey do. Na normal level. E just be like Real Madrid. You go hear Hansi Flick go say, I didn't watch the Real Madrid game, but somebody told me the score. I didn't know they lost today. Na lie. You check am. Then team backup players dey check am. Madrid players dey check wetin Barca dey do. Na normal level everywhere. So make nobody come dey bobo anybody. Maybe why Arteta dey talk say no dey check am, make the media no come dey say we are obsessed with Man City, Man City is living rent free in our heads. I understand where it's coming from, but make we no lie, all of us dey, which one of una for this our community no dey check in a week wetin Man City play? Make that person raise their hand up make I see. Which person no dey check? You go beat your chest tell me say CHUKS I no dey look wetin Man City dey do, gbagbe. You get na lie, you know na lie. You get. Now away from that, na see wetin happen today, wetin Aston Villa do Manchester United 2-1. Aston Villa now dey behind us and Man City. E get, so those ones they dey 3 points behind us, so they don win their 10th straight win. 10th straight win. In fact, I dey see one vision, and that vision be say this unbeaten run wey this Aston Villa get, this their unbeaten run, na we go quench am, and na for the Emirates Stadium e go happen. This their fire wey dey blow for their head, ogbonna feli abi, wey dey blow this fire, na we go quench am. Na we go be the fire department, because you know say we go still play them on the 30th of December. So I still think they will beat their next opponent. Then by the time when they come to the Emirates Stadium, we will let them know. See, this is the Emirates Stadium. This is not the Villa Park. Villa Park, they escape. They could have lost. Even today itself, because the first goal wey they even score, I watch the game. The first goal wey they ever score, it was against the run of play. So I go even talk saying that the injury to Bruno Fernandes. Fernandes was never hear with my ear saying get injury before. Baba get injury today. Still use the injury they play. Then after first half, they change am once. Yes, the butcher enter. So even after the game, I listened to Amorim's press conference. He said the guy gets soft tissue injury. He's going to be out for a long period. So it's quite sad because they don't get that, they will suffer because they don't get direct replacement for that guy. What did that guy they do for that team? With Ahmad out, with Mbuemo out, Baba, nobody will fit do that kind of thing for them. It's quite sad. Now, away from that, we're gonna hear from some of our senior men for Arsenal, where they talk say the Arsenal defense is right up there with the best ever, as two other Gunners legends endorse Mikel Arteta's backline. The question is, this Arsenal current defense and the Arsenal defense of the old, all those invisible then, how then compare? Now, two legendary Arsenal defenders have given the current Gunners backline their seal of approval. As Mikel Arteta's men celebrate their latest clean sheets, Repalo has exclusively revealed to Sportsmo, you get, say this is our current team. They did very, very good. Now, it will interest you to know that the Premier League leaders' rear guard was formerly impenetrable throughout October and early November as Arsenal kept 8 clean sheets in a row straight, and we went 812 minutes without conceding any goal before losing our astonishing record to that our 2-2 draw with Sunderland. You get, but because of injuries to our defense, wey Magalhaes go, get some players sef go, so that our formidable record come scatter. Now to keep clean sheet come dey hard, although we kept a clean sheet in our last game against Everton. Now Repalo said Arsenal defense is up there with the best ever. Asked if the current Arsenal defense was the best ever, Palo replied, "It's right there. It's certainly up there. A back six, as I call it. A goalkeeper always got to be involved, but I've played with some great defenses. When Son Campbell came in, Koloture in that invisible season was brilliant. But I look at the guys now. Gabriel Magalhaes has been absolutely unbelievable. Saliba, we know how good he is. Calafiori took his chance and he never looked back. And obviously, Simba has been brilliant. Really good link-up player. He likes getting forward as well. At the moment, the defense is very, very good. If you go back to Arsene Wenger's era, when he first turned up, he'd always say that he had one of the best back six of all time. And that really helps because if you don't concede too much goals and you've got good attacking players, you are always going to win games. That is why the talk say make Gabriel Magalhaes come back, because if Magalhaes come back, one thing we're going to notice, we say we're not going to concede much. That is one. And we may not be scoring much too, because we will keep the back very, very tight. Then one of the chances we'll go create, like the ideology behind this is, as long as you don't concede, you are more than likely to win the game, because even if na 1-0 na goal, you will collect your 3 points, you go to go house. And me and you know say once we don't score that goal, you get, it is either you come outside and collect more or you stay back. So the probability dey very, very high say our win ratio go skyrocket once Gabriel Magalhaes comes back. That one na factors. Nobody dey argue that one. So that's why I can't really wait. And that's why I still get confidence. Say, in fact, Gabriel Magalhaes will even score against Arsenal that to announce in return. Say, yes, I'm back. Who missed me? Now, it's been a real blessing in disguise for Arteta. He's got two players for every position. Really, Luis Kelly, Ben White, players who probably walk into quite a few sides, but there's a lot of competition there. Timber has been brilliant. Calafiori has come in. We had a lot of good defenders. Martin Keown, Tony Adams, and they are very impressed with that. If you check everything Baba talk, you know, answer the question at the end of the day. Whether na yes, whether na no, who better pass? This current defense and our own of the old, which one better pass? Baba no really talk much again. So we'll just leave the matter. The Coco be say both defenses they very, very good. The reason we make people not really celebrate our current defense and our current team because we never win anything. By the time we win something, make God just go and win something remarkable, something incredible like the Champions League, where the invisible no win before. And that debate will come up. So which of these two squads for Arsenal history, because it's going to be in the history books, which of these two squads be the best? If we win Champions League for our own era, they no win them now. No matter how they mark on this picture first, no matter how they hot to reach for their time, they no smell them to win the Champions League. But they won the EPL several times, won the domestic cups multiple times. So that one same day. Now, Manchester United targets and Karim Adeyemi don't enter another issue within club. Ever since when talk say he would like to join Arsenal over Manchester United. Now, for the match they play Borussia Dortmund, they'll substitute him. So doing take react against Borussia Mönchengladbach. In coach, no, they very, very happy. Not just the coach, some of the administrators, they no con they happy. They say they will final. So the rumor now be say the guy not really want to stay for Dortmund again. Maybe for January, he go fit come join Arsenal. I don't really know because the sporting director of Dortmund, Sebastian Kerl, intervened when they substitute my guy. He won't come go straight down the tunnel and say, no go, no go. The guy no listen to him. He go. So Kerl come dey tell Sky Germany Say, well, the situation get as it be. Say they will find the guy because I told him he's not going to the locker room. He's sitting there, sits for the bench, just sit down there. Say the guy no really answer him. So the substitution was totally justified. After all, he wasn't playing well in the game. That was why they removed him. So when they do some money, say they're going to punish him. He gets. And never too long, say whether the police arrest him, say he gets one firearm when carry. I been a knife. I'm waiting with the same carry for car. They go arrest him. So the guy just dey comot for one issue, dey enter for another issue. But the koko be say Arsenal are going to be looking for reinforcements, and maybe he go be part of those who go dey look at for January, especially when he don't make an expression of interest. Say he would like to join Arsenal. So more just dey observe to see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, Jordan Pickford, the goalkeeper of Everton, come dey talk about the game. Come dey talk about Arsenal. Yes. Now, when you read the reports of everything wey tell Sky Sports, he say they no really give away many chances to Arsenal, and we really defended well. We had to suffer at times. We were not clinical and didn't hurt them as much. I don't think David Raya really had a save to make. Small margins, and that's why Arsenal are top of the league. They have been resilient at the back and had to break down. They got a penalty and scored. The effort and application we put in was quality. You see, say Baba dey focus on defending, because majority of the time for that game na defending dem dey do. He himself know say they know our keeper, they no touch am. He no even make one save, they no disturb am. And some people dey talk say this same Everton outplay us. Arsenal played nonsense. This is that keeper testifying. Say they no do nothing for the game. Na defense they just dey focus on. Just in fact, somebody was saying in the comment section, say CHUKS. E be like say all this opposition, whenever they don't bring Arsenal, say Arsenal will play next, they get one special incentive to play against Arsenal. You get. I don't talk about this thing multiple times. All of us know am. So when people meet us, they change their shape. You just be like say king they come down. You get. So you must play well. We are the team to beat. We. Anybody will be Paul Merson said something this morning on Sky Sports. Paul Merson said the level where Arsenal dey now, anybody will finish above Arsenal go win the league. You just be like say we be the king maker, but we don't want to be the king maker again. We want to be the king. We want to be the king this time around. Now what the promise in the talk say, as Arsenal dey now, anybody will finish ahead of Arsenal, now go win the league. You say reason now. So but this time around, we don't want to make it be like that again. You get. So me now I dey embrace that challenge. Say okay, Arsenal they come. Change your shape. I don't care. Change your shape. Our own job now, make we look for a way to bypass that shape wey dem dey bring. I no want to give excuse say na because of low block we no find way. I'm tired of that excuse. That's why from you don't hear me now. I know they use that excuse again. No matter the type of low block, look for a way. If na cross are not sure for you, so you want to do, but they do and they go. Anyhow we want to do am, just dey do am dey go. That's why we dey miss that our Gabriel Magalhaes get. If na to dey wipe shot, make na try to do. But somebody was telling me, Satus, you always say wipe shot, wipe shot. How we dey wipe shot when the opposition is playing 10 men behind the ball? Baba wipe am. Space dey to wipe am. Na you no wan wipe am. We dey even wipe some. No be say we no dey wipe. Look at the statistics of the Everton. We wipe 13 shots. 13. More than like 8 or 9 na off target. So no be say we know dey wipe, we dey wipe, but majority of the wipe, you know, they dey on target because I don cool down dey observe. No be say all those shots wey dey talk say they no dey wipe shot, no be say they no dey wipe but majority na off target. So that training wey I watch the video with which day, wey dem say dem dey do shooting drill, make dem dey do am dey go. Make dem spend more time on that shooting drill because we go need am. All those wiping, we go need am very key. So na so it just be. Now moving forward, away from that. So I can't see this report say you get one Real Madrid player wey Arsenal dey find Valladopena, Valapena, wey that im name sef, Valdepenas. Say the guy na young defender. Say Arsenal dey reason the guy, and Real Madrid don put new clause for the guy head about 40-something million. You get. So Spanish newspaper AS claim Madrid hierarchy have responded by rewarding Valpena with a significant pay rise as a recognition for his performance. Last they come slap 50 million euros for him head. So anybody won't carry am, na the money wey they go pay. Well, me, I go say make they leave the guy. Me, na enter market. That's not our priority. Enter market, go bring new winger. If possible, bring new number 10. If we don't bring those two, if we won't come bring any other person, now you can sabi. Or those first two, and we won't see. Now, after we beat Everton, Piero Hincapi can't go for IG, can post, I can't lose. I'm a choosing. I can't lose. As he talk, my mind just go God of choosing. Ajay, my mind just go. It's up. So, yeah, God of choosing. And all of us, we did it together. No yawa, you can't lose. In fact, the God just bless us with defenders. We sign confirm. This Nkapi, instead for the transitional mode, you get. Give this guy after this one season, by next season, EPA go run time, but because the guy get raw aggression, they still need to teach him how to play for this league. Instead, they learn the ropes because this is not Bundesliga. All right, I think it's a fine place for us to bring you a message from Billy to Nigeria Limited.
Your favorite wine drink for your party and celebration in every occasion. Call your friends and family, time to celebrate. Have a good time. Pura Sepa wine. Pura Sepa comes in different variants. There's I like the red wine. Pura Sepa wine. Relax and enjoy your life with Pura Sepa wine.
All right, so Pura Sepa wine is brought to you by Billy to Nigeria Limited. So it's a Spanish wine drink and it's an alcoholic drink. So if you're interested in this product, make you contact Mr. Julius on 08033264146 and then they deliver nationwide in case you want to use it for any of your events. So his number is at the bottom of the screen. Make you no waste time, contact them ASAP. Also, make you bring you a message from Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that, so according to see another report from Bukayo Saka, say no Arsenal player have had more touches in the opposition box. At Everton, it was 11. He won more duels, 8. He completed more take-ons, 4. He had more shots, 4. He made more tackles, 3. Versus Everton, nobody did more than this. Bukayo Saka, little chili, I would say they call it chili pepper, I would say that in AKA. Now, I love this, but we want more. Because like Oliver Twist, we are always going to ask for more. Like Arteta always say, we will continue to improve. So when Saka they continue to improve, they give us more of these numbers. God go do am, he go score brace. When was the last time Saka scored a brace? When was the last time Saka scored a hat-trick? Baba, don't worry. I know say they gang up on you, but no worry. Once you sign confirm winger with the back for that left, your workload will reduce and God will run out for you. Now, the biggest news of the night, I'm the fact making Arteta they confirm say we know they look what Man City they do. As we did like this now, to focus on ourselves, what we can control, and everywhere good. I remember what Saka said in the morning. Once we continue to win our games, we are going to stay at the top. And at the end of the day, we'll go get to with the fine. So with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. So like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. I'm gonna get out. All right, guys. Ciao.